All right, so we have here, it says, give the slope and y-intercept of each line whose equation is given, then graph the linear function. So remember, when we talk about slope and y-intercept, we have the slope-intercept equation. Y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope, and then b is the y-intercept. We would say 0 and b. Okay, so for example, I'm not going to graph this one, but just identify the slope and y-intercept. The slope will always be the number that's next to the variable x. This is our slope. Our slope is 2. And then our y-intercept will be the constant term. And we will write that as an ordered pair. So 0, 4. Okay. B, we have here a function. What if we wrote this as a function? F of x is equal to negative 2/5 x plus 3. Find the slope, find the y-intercept. So our slope is what here? Negative 2 over 5. We're going to rise 2 units, meaning we're going to go down 2, and then we're going to run 5 units to the right. And then our starting point, that will be our y-intercept, is at 0, 3. So we have all of the information that we need to create this line. And let's draw this line. Start at 0, 3 on the y-axis. From there, from 0, 3, count down 2 units, 1, 2, and we're going to run 5 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our second point is at 5, comma 1. And then we connect. Okay? And here's our line. Let's do one more example. We have here 6x minus 7y minus 42 equals to 0. We want to write this in slope-intercept form, meaning we want to convert this equation and solve for y. So I'm going to do a 2 and 1. We're going to subtract the 6x to both sides, and then we're going to add 42 to both sides. So on the left-hand side, we have negative 7y. On the right-hand side, we have negative 6x plus 42. Then let's divide by negative 7 to each term. And we have y is equal to negative 6x over negative 7. Negative 6, or negative divided by a negative, is positive. So that's going to be positive 6 over 7 times x. And then we have 42 divided by negative 7. That gives us negative 6. So our slope, 6 over 7, we're going to rise 6 units, then run 7 units to the right. And then our starting point is at 0, negative 6. So let's graph it. Here's 0, negative 6. And then let's count up 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and run 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our second point is at 7, 0. and let's connect. And there we go.